Hi everybody and welcome back to Tugan tutorial, and today we will be discussing step-by-step process for this. And before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get extended free trial and some exclusive benefits for Tugan.ai. So this is a platform that could be used to convert different type of media, like for example if you have a YouTube video and you want to convert it into attention grabbing LinkedIn post, or whether you have a YouTube video and you want to convert it into a newsletter. This is the perfect platform for that. And how it does that, it basically analyzes the caption, the subtitles and the transcript of the video, converts it into different posts using of course AI, since it's AI powered platform. And then what it does, creates amazing looking posts for you. So working is quite simple. You need to select any of these options that is going to be working best for you. Like for example, if you want to create a LinkedIn post, you are going to be selecting this particular option, and then it is going to be analyzing that. So let me show you how it basically works. So here I have this example on their official site. As you can see in here, it is going to be analyzing the video and it is going to be converting into, you can say, like notes, and all of the conversation that is inside the video is going to be converted into your post or anything that you desire. So it is really amazing and works really perfectly fine. Make sure to give it a try and head over to Tugan.ai. It is super amazing. Also, do not forget to head over to the link in the description for an extended free trial and some exclusive benefits. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to share with your friends and see you in the next video.